And we're here. Episode, what is it nowadays?
27.
You still counting? Because I don't count worth shit anymore. Well, I literally, Pine City only taught me how to count to 21. So, and I really just threw you guys into this. I was just like, fuck it, we're going.
That was very quick.
I was on my way home from work today, and I was down, just no music, just dead silent, just ripping,
Oh, boy.
That's serial killer
65.
shit.
Yeah. Looking for a couple people, And I had a rock star.
Yeah,
we saw that. I can see it in your eyes right now.
Yeah.
What was that called again?
Is that appropriate? I don't care. I like dark humor.
Roll with it.
It's called Kurt Cobain.
You shotgun a rock star.
Shotgun and rock star.
I did not get the joke when you sent it in a Snapchat.
Yeah.
I knew what he did to himself.
Yeah.
I did not make the connection.
We don't have to elaborate on it. It is inappropriate, but it is funny. I mean, we like dark humor. I mean, it is what it is. But
That's what it is.
yeah, so a shotgun to rock star on the way home, and holy shit. I'm feeling it. I'm ripping.
You ripped?
Well, I wonder why.
And it was only the lemonade. It was the hydration one, so it's like a little lower, But
good B vitamins in that thing.
Yeah, it's got a lot more nutritional value than some of the other things that I drink.
Sure.
Heard that. Well, so I was thinking, it's actually been a while since we've used this prop for the show. And
I already know what's happening.
I thought we should maybe bring it back. And it's been long enough now where we forgot what's on there.
I'm not using that eagle fucking thing.
No. I brought back
Nice.
the sticks from episode 4 with Dan Sebastian. And
that was episode 4?
episode
That was like
number
30
4.
weeks ago.
It was 30 weeks ago. It was in January that we did that.
We're actually coming up on
I don't
a
remember
year
any
pretty
of them
quick.
other than call your mom and tell her that you tested positive
Have
for coronavirus. And that did not age very well.
Actually, I think it aged incredibly.
I feel like my mom would not care as much.
Right.
really?
She'd be like, all right, see you in 2 weeks.
Well, now it wouldn't be a big deal.
Actually, this week, Thursday, first time ever somebody I know died. I never, my cousin's mother-in-law, she got known
Sorry to
that
hear
she
that.
had it on the 27th. She went into the hospital and she just died last week from
sorry to hear that.
coronavirus. She was like 80, so I mean, there's probably was some underlying stuff.
But still.
Sure.
But still, that's the first time I've ever heard of anything.
Same. I mean, I don't even know somebody.
Other than
else.
that, shit's fake.
You are now listening to On Tap with the Boys, a podcast about beer, bad decisions, and bad friends, with your hosts, Kody, Tyler, Dalton, and Tucker.
I will check quick. Kody, Tucker just wanted to look up when our first episode was. Well, what I'm going to do is I'll just go on Spotify where you can do On Tap with the Boys.
January 11th.
That was the first episode. So that means episode 4 was actually into February. So that it's been a while. I mean,
February 4th was Dan's Couch Foundation.
Yeah. So 37 weeks total.
I don't think
that
he
we've been
got
doing
anything on his Venmo.
But he did get a couch.
He did get a
get a
couch
couch
on there.
Update. He is
for free from the viewers just because he was on the show.
Yeah,
So
that's literally it. Yeah,
And
thanks
we
for
do
helping
charity
out.
work.
Thanks for helping out. We
Where's the other? Oh, we're rocking one camp. No, is there 2?
there is 2.
There is 2. Okay.
do we want to talk about what you threw? I don't know. I feel like we should talk about it because Danica, I think, was in a lot of suspense. What did you just throw that was on the table right here?
An earring.
That wasn't an earring.
That was an earring.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought
I'm
it was
lost.
a nipple piercing.
No, that was an earring.
I thought it was a nipple piercing.
Oh, she thought you did it on the episode.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No. So we have a really bad habit lately that we're trying to kick. I mean, it's like meth lately. Like, ask Dalton. So, like, we go to the bar until close, and then we wind up turning up here and going fucking ridiculous. And I pierced my nipple on Saturday.
On Snapchat. It was all on our Snapchat. Speaking of which, this is a great place to plug in. If you are not following us on Snapchat, follow us on Snapchat, OnTapOfficial.
It bled a lot, and it hurt a lot. And we could not get the bar in my nipples, so it did not stay. And was it you that was
nasty.
trying?
No, I never touched it.
Who was
I
the one that
gonna-
was trying to put
I was
it
going
in
to
there?
pass out.
Kyle?
It was Kyle.
Just fucking jabbing me. I thought he was going to make a new hole.
Kyle.
Toll.
Yeah. He was just jabbing
He
me.
said
with
his hands were so
a lot of blood.
Yeah.
That's how
It
you
was
get
nasty.
coronavirus, dude. I'm telling you.
Or AIDS.
That hurts my
Yeah.
nipples.
He grabs himself with that pincher that has the hole on the end of it. shoves the needle
Just
through it,
fuck
and
it.
it just starts gushing blood all over his, all over
Well,
his
everybody
boob.
was fucking around with it, and I remember I was like drunk. I was really fucked up. Everybody's fucking around with it. I'm like, fuck it, let's do it. And I just grabbed that scissors, just grabbed my nipple, and just went for it. Not my proudest moment, but it was hilarious. You know,
True on tap fashion.
So Kody, I'm gonna say some names.
what sucks less?
No. I'm gonna say a name. Like I'll say Tucker, and you gotta say as fast as you can the last name of the person you're thinking of. Right?
Dinner with Indigo's parents.
Okay.
Dude, okay, I gotta clear that up.
Jump off the Empire
People
State
ask
Building.
me, it's like, dude, they got the wrong vibe about that. Like, it's known out there that I hate hanging out with Indigo's parents. Yes.
Really? Who said that? That wasn't the point.
Yeah, I know, but now everyone thinks that.
No,
Why?
dude, Panda Express is just really fucking good.
It was not which one do you hate? It's what one
What
is
sucks
less.
less?
Which one is?
Yeah, but you think of hearing that third person.
That was the point of the bit.
That was the whole
That
point.
was the point of the
We're
bit.
setting you
sucks,
up.
We're
We're
what
setting
sucks
you up.
less? Well, they both really suck is what it's
No,
getting at.
you're saying they're both really good. I don't know. I'm sorry about that, but that's kind of what we were going for.
And I wanted to talk to you guys off camera. It's like, dude, stop bringing that up.
And then we go in the episode and bring it up.
Stop bringing it up.
Nah.
Why does her family watch?
That's none of your business.
No shit. Nate Dog, what's up?
I don't think he watches. No.
Is it Gam Gam?
No, it's not Gam.
So who's the snitch? That's who the real troublesome person is.
That's for you to never know and for me to never tell.
What? That's.
Yeah, let's not bring that up either.
He knows exactly where I'm going with shit.
Anyways,
before I
Dalton.
fucking say it.
I'm sorry.
Continue.
You're fine,
You
you're fine.
say a first name, and I say
The related last name that
okay.
comes to your mind.
That comes to mind.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So this is probably gonna be short and sweet.
You know what? I don't know what you're talking about. So
Oh, okay. So if I say Tucker, what are you gonna say?
Hancock.
Okay. If I say Tyler.
Plotchik.
it might as well be.
All right. Ready? We're gonna start. There's only like 6.
Is this
of them,
just
so-
for Kody?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I say Bill,
Cosby.
Kim,
Nye.
Possible.
Kardashian.
Michael,
Bates.
Bublé.
LeBron,
James.
Mia,
Khalifa.
that's the setup.
But usually they do it with their girlfriends.
Yeah, it would be the couple, and then you're like, no.
Well, what other person named Mia do you know?
That's
So I
the
had to look it
part.
up. I had to look
Like,
it up.
nobody.
There's a Mia Farrow.
It's
Like she's some
nobody.
old time actor. I don't.
Sounds like a car.
Oh, Mila Kunis, but Mila.
Yeah,
right?
it's
Mila?
me. It's
That's not Mia.
No, it's Mila. Yeah, it's different.
That's funny.
Same thing, but different.
Yeah, that's the setup that.
So the girls on the videos then are like, who's that?
and then you see the guys go like, I don't know anybody named Mia. And she's like, you fucking liar.
That's funny. So they already know that the support.
There's a guy that does it to his mother. He goes through all those, and then he goes to Mia, and she's like, Khalifa, and he's like, Mom. And she's like, oh.
No, she was doing research on the Middle East.
And then she actually goes, Pharaoh.
Oh, she knew?
Yeah, well, it's like
Oh.
from her time period.
I don't know.
I've never heard of that Mia Farrow.
Never heard of Mia Farrow.
Is she an actor? Actress, I mean?
Actress, yes. She was in some old movies that you've heard of, like The First Great Gatsby. She was in that.
Oh, really?
And I don't know, a couple other ones.
Let it look her up.
That's cool and all. And I'm usually the one that talks about porn, so that's dope. But so Cody's got this really weird fucking kick where he's on seltzers and shit. And it's stupid. He's drinking Busch Light now, but regard that. He's over here drinking seltzers like he's a girl. Oh, fuck you. Have you guys heard about the newest seltzer?
The Coors Light?
No.
Busch Light.
No. I'm really happy.
What's that?
I feel like you're going to know.
I'm not listening to
The
you.
newest seltzer. You fucker. The newest seltzer.
What's it called?
The newest seltzer. So it's non-alcoholic and it's by PBR.
Really?
No, I've never heard of it.
PBR made a seltzer, non-alcoholic, infused with THC.
Oh,
wow.
damn.
PBR?
PBR.
Really?
With
Is it considered a seltzer?
Wow.
It's a seltzer, non-alcoholic with THC.
I was about to say they just made a soda then.
Yeah, right. Like, it's water.
I want a soda. Yeah. So these are actually, I was looking it up. They have 5 milligrams of THC. People that know edibles and whatnot.
Is it THC or EBD?
It's
Or
THC.
CBD?
It's
EBD.
THC.
It's actually EBT. You can you can get food stamps from this seltzer.
You can use this seltzer for payment at Holiday.
Yeah.
But you can't microwave the sandwich first.
Oh my god.
Gotta be cold.
That's actually a really surprising move from PBR. I would really
PBR's older, though.
Hey,
I
they
agree.
gotta stay alive.
For sure.
They just
it's
had
not
that
even
issue.
that.
They just had the issue where they almost went under.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
because Miller refused to make their deal
Oh,
since their contract was up and they had nowhere to go.
Gotcha.
They went to court and they lost.
PBR. I think there's a big. We were waiting for each other to talk. There's a big movement. 80s everything. You know,
Yes,
and everybody's
yep.
trying to be hipster. And I think PBR, even Hams.
Retro.
I know the guy that we know drinks Hams isn't because of that, but PBR, Hams, all these underlying people are thriving actually because of. Oh, I want to look cool and
I
different.
want to drink something different. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Now, Anthony drinks Hams because he
likes
has the hat and shirt.
Yeah.
So he's like, I have to drink it now.
But did he get that first?
I know, I'm kidding.
That's more of a chicken or an egg kind of thing. Because I think he might have been born with that hat. Sure.
Maybe he was born with hams in his bloodstream. We don't know.
We don't know
Hams-
his parental background.
Hams and PBR sucks.
Hams is
No.
Yeah.
Hams ain't bad.
yeah.
Hams
No.
ain't bad. Hey, have you had? I think there's a ham special light.
special light. But if you're gonna buy Hams, just get full body. 'cause
I-
that's
Get a
the
ham
whole spirit.
sandwich.
I like Hams. It reminds me of
shit.
Coors Banquet. Love Coors Banquet.
Hams is a fucking
Now-
loaf of bread in a can, bro.
It is. It fills me up like quick.
Yeah.
So what I was gonna say, but like that's a really freaking bold move by Pabst because I really assumed that something like that. I honestly was thinking that a THC infused beer was gonna be soon coming from Coors because
I could see them doing
because they're
that.
based out
Colorado.
of Denver. You know,
Colorado, yeah.
Like they're that's the hub kind of. When I imagine marijuana in the United States, I imagine Denver.
Yeah.
Right. That's kind
just
of they
what
were
you
kind
hear
of the
about.
poster, the
Mile
front,
High City, dude.
front side of there.
Right? Is
I don't know.
Denver? I don't
You hear
fucking
about
know.
all these conspiracy theories about the Denver airport?
Yeah, the paintings and shit,
Bro,
the murals, bro.
crazy.
You trying to go off right now, bro?
Maybe.
I won't sleep tonight.
Well, isn't it on top of something?
No, there's like
Well-
murals of like gas masks and not like it's like not Nazis, but like genocide and shit in the airport. It's weird ass shit.
There's apparently a lot of conspiracy that there's a huge underground community or
Like
living quarters and
Illuminati
whatnot
shit.
under the Denver airport.
I thought there was a bunker or something.
Or Mason-
Yeah, that's what
Presidential
I'd
bunker or
heard.
something.
The Freemason shit.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah. It's fucking wild. And you watch the videos and it's in depth, bro. Wow.
God, I want to get Jesse Ventura on one of these episodes to
Dude, wouldn't
talk
that be
about
something?
conspiracy theories.
We-
We
I
kind of
could-
got the plug for Jesse Ventura, but it's
Get him
going
to
to
talk
cost.
about COVID and
Oh fuck, bro.
that'd be a spicy.
You think we
thing.
could get him in
do
the
we wanna
studio?
go? Do we want to
Doubt
go
it.
political though?
I don't know if I want him.
I wouldn't
here.
say political, just that he's like wild about the conspiracy theories.
Because conspiracies, honestly, I get lost in conspiracies. I would call him Kody. I've been having a lot of night terrors lately, and I listen to this new podcast fucking called The Confessionals. And it's this dude literally makes his whole podcast is people call in and give their paranormal activity, encounters with the fifth kind, alien shit, cryptics, and just say stories and shit. And I just get in depth with listening to these people. He's on
Spooky.
He's on like 500 episodes where people just call in, and he sells like doomsday prepper kits and shit and stuff.
Genius.
But I've been like losing it. I'm like, oh my god. There's this one episode I fucking sent it to Kody like 5 times of prophetic dreams where he has dreams of like the future and like shit comes true, and it fucked me up, bro.
It was crazy.
It was crazy. This shit came out on July 11th, and I listened to it in August or September, and shit already happened that he was talking about in July.
He's right about a lot of the stuff he talks about, and it's like he totally predicts it like very accurately.
And the crazy part is that he says November is going to be way worse than the riots we had in June. He predicts November is going to be fucking crazy.
I bet.
I'm waiting, bro. I'm
mean,
waiting.
why wouldn't it
I
be?
don't want to get too crazy.
cold.
Yeah.
Nah.
Too cold to riot.
I
Too
would-
cold for those Molotov.
I mean,
cocktails.
that's a safe. That's
It
a
is
safe
safe.
assumption.
Yeah,
I feel like.
especially the way shit's going.
I mean, I've been saying that, and I'm not sitting out
Fuck,
here like
we had
I'm
a cop. We had a
Nostradamus.
cop killing a couple hours ago, 2 miles away from here.
Yeah.
cop that died.
No, the cop killed a guy.
There was a police officer involved
Yeah.
shooting north
But
on 35.
That fucker, honestly, I don't know any of the backstory, but if you're driving in a high-speed chase on the wrong side of the freeway, you probably deserve it.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. There was
guess
some.
it's a
There was
fucking mess.
it started as
Yeah,
a domestic
domestic.
dispute and then escalated. They have no other information.
Wow. I can't believe a guy like that would drive a freaking Cadillac Escalade.
With a, he had like a crotch rocket on a trailer behind him or something too. I heard. I don't
Really?
know. I don't know.
Did you guys get pictures or what the fuck?
No, you said it escalated.
See, I missed that.
See, I heard a Ford Bronco type vehicle, so when you said excavator, I was like, okay, that's close enough.
O.J. Simpson or what?
I wish I had the board. I'd give that a wah, wah, wah. I think you meant the orange one.
So we kind of went on a weird tangent that we don't usually do. But what about
My drill.
So do you guys want to talk about politics at all? Because there's a fucking ridiculous shit with politics this week.
No, I don't. I never want to talk about politics.
Well, here's
It's
the thing.
not what you think.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not what you think.
I think it's very known that us four are not political people. We do
No,
not
absolutely
necessarily
no.
have strong political stance in any direction. And we're all very reasonable people. We can be persuaded to reasonable directions.
And this isn't like this.
is that
isn't-
fair?
Yes.
This isn't like political standing on either side or nothing like that. It's just politically related by a dumb motherfucker.
All right.
Okay.
I'm in.
So Kody is very involved with. Well, not very, but
Here we go.
No, just like public figures, influencers. You know, like Nelk and all that shit and whatnot. Have you ever heard of Tana Mojo? No, you've never heard of Tana Mojo? Well, she's like a famous slut, pretty much.
Okay.
I'll say it right now. So she like fake married Jake Paul or whatever.
Oh, this. I know where you're going.
You know exactly where I'm going with
Yep,
this shit?
yep,
How
yep.
fucking ridiculous is
This is bad. Bad for her.
So you don't know yet, right?
No.
This is bad. This bitch
Okay,
is going
so
to prison.
yeah. Go.
So
This is good.
she started an OnlyFans and shit a while back. She makes a fuck ton of money on OnlyFans and everything. Okay. Well, she's a big Biden person, anti-Trump. She put out a post saying that if you send me a picture of your ballot voting for Biden, I will send you a free nude.
That's a,
She got 10,000 pictures
Oh my God.
in like the first day. That's voter fraud.
I was going to say, is that legal?
that's a crime.
That's very illegal. It's voter fraud. It's buying votes. So now she's getting prosecuted for voter fraud.
I would imagine that's a felony.
It's up to 2 years in prison.
yeah.
Damn.
Yeah,
What
that's
a fucking idiot! Does she not have managers that she can say, "Hey, I'm gonna do this"? Like, that's dumb as fuck.
I don't know. I was just thinking about that not that long ago. I think some of these people do not have guidance. I think they just are. They
have to,
get
though.
big so fast. They amass this audience when they can't have this essentially committee of people helping
When
them.
they're that big, you gotta have a PR person or
You
somebody.
have to.
You have
You
to
have
have a lawyer or something. Hey, I'm gonna
That you
run
can
this
run
by.
this by.
Like, am I gonna go to fucking prison for 2 years for doing this? Yeah. And she's like, my naked body is doing more for Biden than anybody else. And it's like, you're fucking stupid as fuck. You're going to prison.
That's like
Oh my God. I enjoy the hustle. I like the hustle. I'm
Yeah.
out here, you know?
I'm out here.
whoa, yeah, that's crazy.
That's
I mean,
why I was thinking that
it is thinking outside the box and
It is very outside the
accomplishing
box.
what she wants to
It's
accomplish.
using the box to be outside the box.
Yeah,
Was that your joke?
whatever.
Was that your joke?
Something about a box.
I was gonna get inside the box, but yeah.
Fuck! I beat you to it, didn't I?
did? Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Right, dude.
Tucker's just sitting
We
there
should
waiting
all, we
for
should
an
all
inside
just like
joke.
turn our mics over and let Tyler talk.
Well, it's just because it's just because I had shit written down and to talk about.
No, it's cool.
That's actually really funny, though. I can, gosh, that's just kind of freaky because that kind of just goes to show what kind of power that these influencers have right now. And that's even more scary that these people who are, I shouldn't say who can be uneducated, giving people advice in specific directions that they might not necessarily know anything about.
Dude.
That they're just like, all right, I'm going to do what you want to do because this is your view and I like you, so I like that. You know, regardless of who they're voting for, that's scary. You know, they could have done the same thing for Trump and people would have freaked out.
There's probably she could have gone about that legally.
Probably.
Send me your ballot and I'll send you a.
Yeah.
I mean, that might be illegal. Sending a picture of your ballot. But.
Here's who I'm
That's
voting.
illegal,
Here's who
yeah.
I'm voting for.
You can't show that.
And then you could
Send me your ballot.
depending on
don't
what the
know.
ballot said, you could just change what you were sending.
That's the thing too. I mean, it was mail-in ballots. They didn't even have to mail the fucker.
Good point. They could.
Realistically.
I mean, you could have just
Yeah.
Googled the ballot thing.
I'm not.
I
Gonna
got
mail
like two
it.
of them in the fucking mail.
Yeah, I
Did you
got
really?
two
Checked the
also.
I could have just checked the box and fucking said, "Hey, send me a nude." So that's, but like we talked last week, she might be a good one to, so this is kind of going to be a political stance, but she might be a good one to review her OnlyFans and say if it's worth a vote for Biden. If her naked body is worth a vote for Biden.
Is that the new? That should be the unit of measurement.
If you
She's going to vote for Biden to see this.
Is that where we're gonna start? She's worth a vote for Biden.
if you can line this up, I'm in on that.
Well, all I have to do is just pay for it.
Who do you reach out to? Does she have a manager?
You go to OnlyFans and fucking pay $10 and you see her tits. What do you mean?
Oh, you're saying you just review it. I thought you talked to her.
No, I just review her OnlyFans. I just look at her naked pictures and say, hey, is this worth a vote for Biden? It's simple, buddy. It's really simple.
So you would go on and review her nude photos and then say, I'd vote for Biden to see more of these. That's essentially what you're getting at?
Yeah, but at the same time, it's on OnlyFans, and all you got to do is pay $10 and you can see them. But, yeah.
I feel like we should support the people who aren't as big. She's already making too much because we don't want to push more followers to her. We want to push more followers to the people that got the $3 subscription.
I tried helping the locals, bro.
I know. That didn't
Did we
turn
talk
out.
about this?
I don't.
We
Did we talk
might
about it
have.
on here?
I don't know if we talked about it on
Was it on air? I
What were we talking about?
It was
But helping
after
the
hours.
locals?
After hours, you talked about it.
I don't remember.
So I got drunk one night, and there's a local that does OnlyFans. Shout out. And I got drunk. I said,
No
fuck.
name.
Well, no, I ain't shouting her out until she gives me a free subscription.
Oh, I got you.
So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go buy her OnlyFans and go check this out. You
Well,
know?
there's only.
I'm
Well, let's clear this
curious.
up because there's only essentially 2 locals that we know of
Essentially
that do
2.
it, and it's
there might be
not.
more.
It's not.
It's not affiliated with our friend.
No.
Okay.
So if that says it,
Yeah, I got you.
So I go to buy her thing. It was like it was like a $5 deal, bro. I'm like, shit. I'm literally losing money not paying. So I go to buy it, and all of a sudden it's like declined. I'm like, what the fuck is going
tries
on?
3 times.
Did you pick an alter ego and different name?
No.
Because they can see that. I think.
Just the
fine.
transaction was
That's
flagged.
fine. I literally texted her after, so I'm not scared about her knowing.
Funds.
Oh no, I'm saying maybe she didn't want you to see.
Oh, no. Decline. Because my fucking bank started a fraudulent charge case against me for paying for OnlyFans.
Hold up.
They thought it wasn't me, so they blocked my card
How nice of them.
and shut my card down.
Go into the bank and hey, that's me.
Well, they call me and shit. And it's
Call me crazy, but I think this is the perfect advertising opportunity for OnTap. We sponsor OnlyFans models.
dude, we got to get our streamers going first.
we push our viewers to their
I got
OnlyFans page,
pasties, bro.
and we push their
That's a
followers
great idea.
to here.
Yeah.
Dude, if we
Right?
could get them to push their followers to us, I think that'd be way more beneficial, dude. We could
Don't
get so
say
many
that on
horny
air.
motherfuckers, bro. I'm in.
So anyone out there that watches that has an OnlyFans, hit us up. We'd like to sponsor you.
or if you want to start one,
Or
Yeah.
actually hit Tyler up. He can be in charge of that because the rest of us might get in trouble.
Right.
yeah, that's true. Send me a deal.
Send Tyler a DM.
yeah, whatever.
What's
Facebook,
your
Instagram.
you want to plug your Instagram? Or
Is it Tyler Yolo Ploshik on Instagram?
Tyler Squatch Ploshik.
Tyler Squatch Ploshik on Instagram.
At Tyler Squatch Ploshik.
At Tyler Squatch Ploshik.
What do you want your
Tyler-
little bio below the at Tyler Squatch Ploshik to say?
Fat fuck.
PHs.
Sexy fat fuck with PH, yeah. On the fat and the fuck. Shit, yeah.
PHAT.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
Pretty
PHU.
hot and tempting.
Yeah,
Is
and
that
then,
what that stands for?
Yes.
I did not know that.
Are you
know
serious?
what POG means? I found that out and I thought that was awesome.
No, what is
POG? Fat ass white girl.
Oh, PAWG. I was thinking POG. I'm like, wait.
Oh.
What kind of spelling is that?
Oh, yeah.
How do you English?
I kind of like that tab. It's a good tab.
Jesus Christ. Do you know what's so funny about
We're
that?
here on OnlyFans, bro.
Taylor, my girlfriend, was just saying that every single episode Tyler brings up something porn related, something sexually aggravated towards, and she's like, is he doing okay?
I'm trying to fight off the gay vibe.
He's got some
I'm
sexual
trying to make
aggression.
people think I'm straight.
The
luck,
sexual
buddy.
aggression maybe leans more homosexual than it does heterosexual.
yeah.
Time for a bathroom break. The boys will be right back.
That bathroom break hit different. There was
It usually does.
There was no bathroom involved. There was a lot of very deep conversation, really getting to know each other in different levels, and it's gonna be hard to come back from that. Bring the vibe back.
There's a lot of disappointment.
A lot of disappointment with Tyler's actions
I
last
literally
weekend.
didn't even watch you, Phyllis, but these look massive.
Who's Phyllis?
Dude, I called a coworker. So my coworker's name is Phil, and we always call him different fucking names. Philly cheesesteak is shit. We called him Phyllis one day. He lost his fucking shit. Oh, he was pissed.
Why?
Oh,
Because we called him a girl.
Is he a big
So-
anti-homosexual guy?
huge fucking hates women, dude. I'm just kidding.
I was like, what?
No, I'm just kidding.
Just kidding, Phil.
He just hated that we called him a girl or something. I don't know.
Does Phil watch this?
Yeah, bro. What's up, Phil?
Hey, this one's the Phil.
I think should we give her another cheers?
What is this? Is this a mystery
I'm
shot?
not telling you.
Yeah, don't.
Mystery
It's not
shot.
bad. It's not bad. That's why I filled it farther.
It smells really
Let's do another throwback to Nolan Rector. Here's up to
Rector?
it. Here's down to it. If you get to it before I get to it, and you don't do it, then leave me to it, because I'm so goddamn used to it.
Huh.
Because honestly, you know Tyler won't do it.
That's a
Bathroom breaks are fun. All right.
right,
What was that? What was that? It's peach something.
Yeah, peach schnapps. All right. I'm just going to go off a little popsicle stick here. Popsicle.
Yeah. What an
It's like an
obstacle.
obstacle popsicle. There's a rhyme for you, Tyler.
A pesticle.
Testicle. So tell a joke that will make everyone laugh. If not, chug your drink.
So
I don't like this one.
I am not very.
I don't like this one.
I'm not very like internet inclined. Well, I am.
That's a lie.
I have never heard someone say internet inclined.
I'm internet reclined, bro.
I'm fucking chilling.
I'm internet lazy boy and bro.
Dude, what's up, dude?
So what does that mean? You're saying you're not
No,
familiar
no,
with
no,
the internet
no, no.
because that's a lie.
I am, but I'm saying like more in depth, and I think both of you two will be able to tell me. I don't think Tucker knows but I'm gonna ask him first. What the fuck? Do you know what a VPN is?
I do.
What is a VPN?
Yeah, definitely do. Hey, Dalton, what's a VPN?
Because honestly, I don't know
idea.
what the fuck.
Hey,
the point
Tucker
is
Hancock
of a
here.
VPN. What is a VPN, and why the fuck would you need one?
Okay, so I don't know what it's an acronym, but
It's a Dan Aykroyd. Yep.
yeah. It basically, so you know incognito mode?
We are a big fan of
Think about
incognito
that.
mode.
Hold on. So incognito mode. Incognito mode, but like super advanced, where like nobody knows, even your internet provider doesn't know where you are or what you're looking at.
Why though?
Because you can. So like a lot of people use it for like Netflix in the US and Netflix in the UK have different things.
Okay.
So you could tell your VPN, hey, I'm in the UK, and then you watch shit on Netflix that's only in the UK.
People also
fucking
used to
tricky,
do that to hack video games and stuff like that.
Yeah,
To
yep.
say like I'm in a different time zone, so I'm going to fast forward or rewind your time.
See,
frame.
that's the weird part because it seems like fucking. It kind of seems like I know it's not, but it kind of seems like some dark web shit.
That's exactly how you get there.
But then it's like fucking mainstream as shit. I listen to all these big things and I'm like,
Yep.
oh, NordVPN, this VPN.
Yeah.
It's better than
VPN.
this. It's like, is this a common fucking everybody uses it thing?
If it's for
Kinda.
a lot of people that want to do semi shady shit or just don't want people knowing what they're doing.
Yeah, right. And it's more so becoming more popular because of, like
Your
Edward
Google or-
Snowden talking about
yeah.
the NSA spying on
And
you.
like
you can
Alexa
buy
knowing what the
collecting.
hell's going on.
Yeah, they're
Like,
collecting all this data about you that doesn't necessarily matter, but at the same time, it's like, why do you need that?
So what do you tell if you tell your computer like, hey, I'm in fucking Russia. No, that's probably not a good one to pick. But I'm in Kazakhstan, so America won't fucking spy on my shit.
No, it's
No.
not. It's not like location based. It's more so that just that they can't track it.
it literally makes it you can't be found. Like you don't doesn't matter. You'd still be based in the U.S. Sure, you could tell it you're there. That's fine. But they don't know. So like when you log online, if they wanted to, they could pinpoint exactly where you are based off your IP address and your MAC address on your computer. They know where you're at.
Okay.
With the VPN, they can't do that, or it's more difficult.
I've been trying to find myself for 24 years.
Lose yourself first with a VPN.
I lose
NordVPN.
sponsor us.
That whole bit is just an advertisement for NordVPN.
I was
us
honestly
up,
curious because it seemed really fucking sketchy, and I
No,
was wondering
it's
what
really
people do
not.
with it. But I just don't see how on every day-to-day basis. That would
Let's
be
say,
like a
let's say
fucking thing.
Tyler, you had a work phone,
I do
okay, and you wanted to dabble in the dark arts on your work phone.
on my work phone.
A VPN would be perfect for that.
Why would I do that on my work phone when I have a?
So that
perfect-
your
let's say
work
your
doesn't
phone.
know.
Let's say that phone's dead and you ain't got a charger.
This one's actually almost dead. And this one's good.
Okay, I'm just saying.
Okay.
I'm just helping. I'm trying to make a scenario you understand here.
I'm lost. Go on.
I got nothing. That's what a VPN is. This has been Dalton's Tech Hour.
We need some cute little jingle.
Was that fucking Mambo number 5?
No, it was tequila. Tequila. I don't know why that was the first jingle that came into my head, but that was perfect for Dalton's Tech Hour.
Oh boy.
But you guys got to stop at the Cricket Bar and Pizza Oven. They got new merch, JP Vending,
Bro.
and Cricket sweatshirts.
Bro, you're plugging their merch before ours, bro.
Yo,
We gotta talk about Yeah. Fuck your laptop. Get a desktop.
Get a fucking
Right, exactly.
desktop, dude. Get a fucking Cricket Bomb Pizza Oven shit.
super comfy.
I feel like they're starting to adopt that too.
Yeah, they are.
Dude,
I'm surprised the new merch doesn't have the Cricket Bar and Pizza Oven, honestly.
Well,
I can't believe the T-shirt guy.
maybe we do a little collabby collab.
I'm in for that.
I like it.
I'm in for that.
Daddy,
I think our next drop should have a Cricket Bar and Pizza Oven ode to them.
I think so.
I like
Yeah, I think we owe them a lot.
A pizza.
I think they got
The Cricket Bar and Pizza Oven has boosted us so much in our life. In my fucking on tap for sure. My alcoholism for sure.
Okay.
My
Swagger.
sweat unreal, ungodly swagger. And
You were
know,
buying waters for biddies last
I
weekend?
was okay.
That shit
Do
was
we want to talk about chess, bro? I am literally the fucking Stephen Hawking of chess, bro.
What does that mean?
I have no idea. I
You
just,
can't walk.
Tucker, is this with the controversial shit this episode?
this is going wonderful. I love this.
Gosh, all press is good
Not that
press.
he's smart as shit or anything.
God, we're gonna be on the front page of Pine City or the Pioneer, dude. And
Local
then
degenerates.
local degenerates bashing.
Stephen Hawking.
Tyler's the one who brought it up.
But yeah, I actually thought it was a great segue to say that the Cricket Bar and Pizza Oven, fucking one of our first sponsors, helped us out so much.
Oh,
Bought us-
yes.
Gave us a fuck ton of beer. It was 14 cases.
Yep.
14 cases of beer. We literally finished it on Saturday. Out of beer. Fucking, we had to bring another case today because the fridge was empty. Unreal.
Empty.
We bring a new case of something every week, so it's not
Well,
like we're just drinking that. A
we
new
usually-
case every week.
We usually
one
try
of us
something.
brings
You
a
know,
new case.
We try a lot of
something.
320.
Yep.
Shock top, fucking all this other.
So on top
bullshit.
of all that, and then these after hours parties put a big dent into that.
Yeah, this one's
But-
Cody's has.
I've only been here for 1.5. So.
I haven't made it to one yet.
Let's actually
I'm a
talk about
stickler.
how not the bush light sign not only got broken, but it also got mutilated. Let's just say.
Honestly, you're asking.
We don't
the
know
wrong
how
guy.
it got that far.
You're
We
asking
don't
the
know.
wrong guy. I was really fucked up.
Yeah. You were probably present and
Tyler
do
for
know,
sure was present
but-
because if I was here and saw
He
that,
doesn't remember.
I wouldn't have at least let that person go without feeling bad.
Yeah. And I was upstairs and then I left. So
Well, realistically, it might have been me. I don't fucking even know. I mean, I do remember somebody kicked this,
You know
and
what?
I kicked that. Or was it you?
Now that I think about it, I'm pretty sure I kicked. Actually, I do remember.
No, this motherfucker.
That was actually when I left because
oh wow.
I broke a mason jar.
Now hold on,
a
hold
green
on.
cup.
Did you
And I think I might have kicked the
I
sign.
got a question. Did you make yourself feel
Did
bad?
you make yourself feel bad?
No, but someone else probably did.
Oh my god.
I'm actually now that I think about it, I think I might have done it.
What a beautiful
Hypocritical
twist.
motherfucker. I love that.
I was
that's how
just
the truth-
thinking, I
Dude,
remember God, I remember breaking something before I left. And I'm like, oh yeah, it was like 2 glasses and then the sign.
You're like
So-
Patrick on that episode of SpongeBob when Patrick is the criminal. And he's like, it's me the whole time. It's the perfect crime.
As he's yeah.
Oh boy.
But you realize that he could slip his hands out of the handcuffs?
Because he doesn't have a hand.
That's fucking bullshit.
Yeah, and then the beach underwater and a fire and a talking sponge and
That's
starfish.
literally why we're trying to raise our funds for imprisoning starfish, bro, because they just keep getting out of the fucking hang.
Another tonight on Fox. Another starfish has escaped prison.
Do you think there's anything that we can do to get on the local news? Like things that are something that's worthy of the local news?
We could get shot by a cop.
Oh boy!
I think this is maybe our next viral video is us. It needs to be something that's newsworthy.
Dude, have you seen? So
Let's take out a giant billboard on Main Street. Can we do that?
Where is a billboard on Main Street?
Build one.
Yeah.
Just put it out there like freaking massive billboard.
I think we can do up to an 4x8 sheet of plywood without like licensing. If you go over that, then you get in trouble. You have to have special sign permits or something.
Maybe we.
Picture this. One of us runs for city council.
Absolutely. This actually is a great idea. It's just like you running for fucking class president as a joke and
Dude,
you won.
it's like Joe Exotic, bro, except he didn't win. But yeah.
It's for press, bro.
I think
Honestly,
I'm going to try to run for city council.
And your whole
might
campaign,
win.
I don't know how it works.
campaign slogan is
I don't know how it works.
your whole campaign slogan, walk for city council. I don't run for shit.
Cody Hughes walking for city council.
Dude, we
God,
could
he's
get
cut his nose.
Dude, we could make just
I'm
a
not opposed to that.
god-awful, stereotypical campaign commercial.
We could
I
be
would
in the
love it.
fucking parade.
We just got a black and white like the other candidates and just talk
Quinn could
negatively.
be your
PR manager.
Quinn would make
Yeah,
him win,
campaign-
and then he would be like, "What the fuck am I doing?" Quinn's too good at his job. Quinn would
Campaign
make him
manager
win.
it.
When would make me win?
Yeah. Do you actually want to win? Fuck. Shit, this could come back to bite in our ass. We're gonna have to cut all this. We want to win. Hughes 2020. 2021.
When are the elections? I don't even know how that works. I legitimately don't know how it
What
works.
are the election terms of a city council member?
I think
Go for mayor, bro. They fucking elect dogs, bro. You could be
Not here.
Yeah, well, they might.
Yeah, but you know, dude, you are a dog. Heard it.
I don't think that's possible. I think there's a lot better candidates for that position. I was thinking city council because it's like a multiple person thing.
Yeah,
There's
but
like-
you don't
and-
want to win, no. And mayor, what the fuck does a mayor do?
I would like to be on city
call in
council.
the National Guard. Fuck them.
I think
Fuck
that
'em.
I could change a lot of stuff for the good in Pine City. I would like to be on
man.
city council.
I'd vote for you.
Perfect.
I'd vote for it.
I'm already.
Yeah,
I'm
you got
already
3 votes.
I'm
You
already
got my
3 to
vote.
the positive.
That's
We
like,
could
hey, dude,
literally-
that's
here's the
like
thing.
0.01%.
Here's the
He
thing.
sells nudes for votes.
That would be really funny. Something really
Then we
controversial.
could go to prison.
Here's what I'm thinking. Here's what I'm thinking. I run the campaign sort of similar to how I did the class president deal. I don't advertise my campaign. I don't say vote for me to people who I know who are already voting because I'm not trying to sway anybody. I'm just trying to convince the bigger portion of people who don't vote at all to just vote for me because they already don't care.
That's literally what this Tana Mojo did. She literally, that's how you get 100% voter fucking turnout. You promise nudes, 100% of motherfuckers are going to show up to vote. What is our vote? What is our voter turnout? Like realistically, what fucking 60%?
I don't even know the
60% of 4,000 ain't many. Well, it's a county thing, though.
Yeah.
Oh, you're saying
I
for
mean,
Pine City in
dude,
general?
You could raise the voter percentage so fucking much with nudes, bro.
But it's a crime.
100%.
I think I might
it
be
is
out
a
on the
crime.
nudes, to be honest.
Oh, you ran out of them?
Butt pics.
Is it because of that mole?
Just send him calf pics.
I
Baby
will literally
cows,
flex
baby
my
cows.
calf and send a photo to you.
I don't know if you guys
if
seen these
vote
baby
for me for
cows,
Pine
but-
City Council.
This is fun.
I think I'm gonna try it.
Honestly,
Do
I
it.
think
I'm gonna give it a shot.
it's not going to hurt us. I think it's going to be hilarious. We should really fucking do this.
I think I do a lot of good for Pine City.
I think we got a new
do you
T-shirt.
launch dude, it would be. When do we launch like our campaign? We got to find out the terms.
I need details.
When the fuck there's elections.
Who do I talk
You
to
should run
about
for
city
Supreme
council,
Court
honestly?
Justice.
I mean, you could even hammer town board, dude. Township. My
Hammer
mom,
'em all.
My mom's on the
Fuck
township.
'em all.
My mom and dad are both on township, bro, and like
I didn't know
nobody runs against them, so this always win. Oh, if you went in there, so I'm not
Sweep.
in their township anymore. But if we got a bunch of people in there to go write my name in, I'd win automatically. Nobody fucking votes.
Cool.
So if you just
All
had
right.
5 people going, write your name in, you'd fucking win.
I think you
For
should
town
shoot
board.
higher.
And you have to live in city limits, right?
Yeah,
or in the
that
township or
in that
whatever.
township.
I'm in Pine City.
I would assume I'm in Pine City,
I think you are.
or maybe I'm Royalton.
Oh, you might be Pekegama, actually. I think that side of 35 is Pekegama Township,
bro.
I think that side of 35 is Pekegama Township.
I don't know shit about nautical fucking
Dude, I think I'm in
things.
Shangwatana.
Yeah,
I'm not in
Shangwatana Copper.
Shangwatana.
We all live in different townships, bro. Well, no, he's probably in your township. He
Hey,
lives
babe,
not too far from
bro.
Hey, babe.
The mayor
You just call us
election.
babe.
I said, bro.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Call me babe.
I said, babe.
Can we find that?
Babe. So, it's $2 to apply for the
Dude, what the fuck do you think we are, Trump?
for
gotta start-
for mayor.
I gotta start a
And it's
GoFundMe.
November 3rd this year.
Let's start an Ollie's man.
Mayor,
I don't wanna run for mayor.
Okay.
I don't wanna
City
run-
council too. City council
maybe
as well.
mayor.
That's
Maybe mayor.
that's election, or that's when we start running.
November 3rd, the following city of Pine City offices will be voted on at the state general election on November 3rd, 2020. Mayor, city
That's
council,
the problem,
city
bro.
council.
But that's the problem. We don't have enough time. That's literally less
Are you
than
kidding
a
me?
month. That's not, dude. Hey, if
That's
we're gonna
perfect timing.
if we're gonna do this,
Build the
perfect timing.
momentum.
No.
At peak
No.
momentum
No.
is when we vote.
we are doing it.
I'm a fucking businessman, bro.
It's happening.
If we're doing this,
happening.
we are doing this in fucking June. We're gonna hit the parades. We're gonna hit the fucking
All right.
derbies.
What parades
We'll
in
do it in
June?
2 years then.
No. No, it's
Is
just,
it every 2 years?
Yeah, it's every 2 or
But
4.
I'm more talking, the
I'm not
Pine,
waiting that long.
Pine County Parade, fucking booths at the fair. Fuck, dude, that's what we need to hit. We don't come in 3 weeks before a fucking election.
I'm running for city council. 2020. November 3rd this year.
Vote for Kody Hughes.
We're honestly out here for views, bro. We're out here for trying to gain our shit. I don't think that's going to be the most.
I haven't seen
efficient way.
anybody campaigning for anything around Pine City.
No.
I didn't even know it was November 3rd.
Well, that's
Wait,
when
it's
everybody
probably
else's
too late,
vote.
actually, now that I think about it.
Nope.
People have
Sign
already
up.
voted, haven't they?
Some people.
I don't think in Pine City.
Is it on the same ballot?
Dude, you get $300 a month being the mayor.
Dude, you can be rich as
$250 a
fuck.
month being a city council.
Dude.
Early retirement?
Does the mayor really do that much more than the city council?
You got to attend one meeting per month.
Oh, dude, Kody doesn't even work.
It'd be perfect.
I'm out. One meeting? Are you kidding me?
A month.
I'm out. That's too much.
All right, hold on a second.
I'm holding.
I'm just kidding. That'd be easy. I'm down to do this, honestly. I think that'd be awesome. And maybe run for multiple positions just so that you can get more publicity.
Run for them all.
Kody Hughes for everything.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Yeah,
August
there's
11th.
Got to be a deadline.
Was the deadline?
Yeah.
Which is
We can still put up
right
signs and tell
after
them.
the fucking fair, bro.
That's bullshit because you can,
dude. We're gonna do write-ins.
yeah, you can write in.
Oh, we're gonna push for write-ins, bro.
You can write in.
This is a big upset.
That's such a joke. Why would they ever put that there's a deadline when you can write in whoever the hell you want?
Can you?
Yes.
You can write in whoever the fuck you want.
You can write in
I
whoever you
voted
want
for
and they can
Barney
win.
last.
Oh,
last
so there's a
presidential.
deadline to be on the ballot, I'm sure.
Good point. Yes.
So your deadline to be on the ballot.
yep.
But if people know about it,
That blank space at the bottom,
they can write
that's
you in.
supposed to say Kody Hughes.
with the C.
It's really.
Yeah. Cody
I'm not
Hughes.
opposed to it. I'm really not. I think that would be
I think
hilarious.
we should do it, but I think we should wait till the next one so that we can really.
4 years from now.
See, this
2
podcast
years.
is gonna be going for.
Decades.
Dude, I thought this was going for 2 fucking weeks, bro.
Is that how long you gave it?
Dude, bro, after that first episode, what did you think?
I was running on high. That was fun.
You enjoyed it?
Yes.
Yeah, no.
I thought last episode was on.
Me and what do you mean?
first episode.
The first episode. We all went to
the
Kody
first
and said we
episode.
should scrap it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly, bro. We all thought this is fucked.
Right.
But-
And look at us now, bro. This is incredible. This is my height of my
Still
week.
fucked.
You're still fucked, but it's fun.
And you're just over here
And
curling your mustache.
He's got a mustache now. He's got fucking kids.
Not yet, dude.
Well, I mean, the kind of there.
Dude, I really gotta shave this thing.
Why?
Tomorrow.
No.
Why?
We're taking pictures tomorrow.
Not before the fucking party.
I
Just
have-
groom
The
it.
whole reason was for you to have
That
it for
is
November.
so fucking stupid.
I know.
Just groom it.
Hey.
Don't shave
This
it.
is on me. Because it's like, I don't want to look at myself
Dude, get
in the
pictures.
pictures the rest of my life with this mustache.
Get pictures when kids come. You got to show the kids you had a mustache. Dude, literally.
You're gonna tell your son figuratively before he even grows up
What are you gonna
that
tell
it's
your
okay to fold for something, an image of what other people think.
Oh, damn.
That's what you're gonna tell him before
thought you
he's even
played-
out the gate.
I thought you played by your own rules.
What is your daughter
That is my
gonna
rules.
think?
I don't want the mustache for the pictures.
I know.
So you're gonna tell your son that you should cave to your own peer pressure.
Yes. I'm gonna tell my son that. You know,
What did you say about kissing the homies goodnight?
you ruined that.
I really did ruin
Yeah.
that. I feel really bad about that.
Because then like it was such a hype, and then I finally said it, and everyone's like,
I really
like,
fucked
well,
that
this
up
was
bad.
regret.
What is this?
Last
Dude,
episode.
this motherfucker doesn't even remember last week.
I don't remember much.
I was.
I don't remember who my dad is. I can tell you that. What's up?
I don't want to be. I don't want to be a plunger. I don't want to bring up old shit.
was one week.
Yeah, me
I
neither.
I was telling a little joke saying like it's uncomfortable kissing the old lady. And
Oh, and I remember
Tyler's like,
this.
it's your fiance.
And then you got really, really
Yeah.
mad, and you hit the mic,
He
and you
got
threw
really
something.
bad. I fucked
It's
up.
all for sure.
I want to apologize.
And I was like, but it's comfortable
but
kissing
at the
the
same time,
homies.
yeah.
He got paragraph mad.
Did we? Okay. So first of all,
Rattlesnake
we
mad.
never settled the fact that somebody threw away $40.
I was gonna say, I'm sure one of your
I'm sorry,
fucking-
someone stole
Sure,
it.
one of your after parties stole it.
Bullshit.
Someone
Don't
had to have
bullshit.
stolen.
Where was
This
their
is
40
before
bucks?
the after party
Sitting
shit.
right there.
Dude, that was before
Oh,
after
absolutely.
party. That was before after party.
None of us took it, fucker.
What do you mean?
I
No,
think he cleaned up and
There's
threw it away.
multiple after parties.
Bro,
think somebody took my $40.
Cody,
Hey,
throw
where's
away
that
40
chug-
bucks.
Where's that
No
chug
way.
thing?
I
Where's
wouldn't
the
have done
fucking-
It wasn't in there. It was in the pineapple cup.
Yeah, somebody took it.
There's $40 in the pineapple cup.
We're coming for you. Expect
swear
us on
to
your
God,
doorstep.
I'm gonna frog you and fuck him up.
So this little funny story. I was at the Cricket buying merch, and
was
there
that
was
one?
these two random
what?
Cricket
What
bar
was that one
pizza
that you-
oven.
Sorry.
It's all good. Go ahead. And so I was getting some merch, and these two people from the cities came in, a couple, an older couple, and very outgoing, talking old bar. Bought us all a drink. Very nice of them.
Nice.
And the old lady was hitting on me. And
No shit.
yeah, and the guy was talking to Abby, and Abby was saying how she's getting married, and he's like, "Oh, why would anyone want to get married?" And she's like, "Oh, well, you know, Tucker's getting married." And the older lady is just like, "Oh, you're getting married?" I'm like, "Yeah." "Oh, I was totally gonna date you. You want one last hurrah?"
What the fuck?
Yeah. So she's like, "Do you want one last hurrah?" And the old guy's like, "Huh, one last hurrah." It's more like a, "Huh."
On a Thursday, bro?
Yeah, dude, on
At like
Thursday.
6 o'clock?
Yeah,
More like a,
It's like, yeah, dude, yeah, like a
What? Dude.
one last hurrah.
You had some swingers come and meet you at the Cricket?
Pretty much.
This
dude.
is what you get
He
at the
wanted
Cricket.
he wanted Abby and she wanted me, dude.
Dude, go to the Cricket Bar and Pizza
Decent.
Oven on Thursdays at 6 p.m.
Wow.
Swingers.
Thursday.
Dude, they were
Thursdays,
really
bro.
funny though.
Thursdays.
Hilarious.
I thought it was kind of fun.
That's funny.
Go there on Wednesdays. You can get Tall Boy Bush Lights for $2.
$2 Bush Light Pounders. All fucking day Wednesday.
You heard it.
Guaranteed.
Cricket Bar and Pizza
I
Oven?
will back that up.
Their hot Hawaiian pizza is
To die for.
awesome.
I will die for it.
Handcrafted. Frozen.
Handcrafted after he unwraps it from the plastic.
Sometimes he fixes the toppings if they all shifted to one side in the freezer.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, we're not even downplaying. Nor it sounds like it would be a bad pizza actually, and we're being sarcastic. I'm not. It's actually a very good pizza.
yes.
Am I
it
wrong?
is.
No.
It's very good.
Dude,
pizza.
the cheese
I
wheel,
haven't
bro.
had it.
It is overwhelmingly and surprisingly delicious.
I'll suck a dick for a cheese wheel, dude.
You're not helping the whole thing. The whole.
Trying to get off of the gay vibe.
Fuck.
So how much you're gonna have to cut out of this episode?
I don't know. I'm not
He's
probably not
probably
cutting
not
it.
going to cut anything because that's usually what he does. Yeah, we should cut that. That was really fucked up. Okay, yeah, sure. Next week. Yeah, Tyler fucking hates.
I don't
this
think you
type of
guys
person.
realize how much time I have into this thing every week.
This is your job, bro.
I get at least a half hour into setup every time we
Okay.
go between cameras, formatting cards, batteries, whatever. I get at least, and depending on the episode, anywhere from 3 to 10 hours of editing, depending on what we're doing.
Oh, that's a good
because
swing.
it's an S log.
Dude, you gotta run. It
I
in
changed
fucking
it. I'm not an
VPN,
S log.
Yeah, VPN S log.
dude. VPN is
VPN.
run way better than S-Log.
NordVPN.
So, in other words, adding the editing into it was really fun right off the rip, and then it's like,
Dude,
now
the shit
it's
you're
not
doing now
as fun.
is like way up there, dude. When you like introduce people and shit, it's badass. With the fucking little animated
The titles.
shit. Yeah, the Snapchat, the fucking Facebook shit. I
that
like
shit's
that.
easier than clipping people out,
I like that a lot.
clipping shit out.
I see you're kind of getting down there. Do we want to talk about October at all?
Yes, absolutely.
You better.
Sign up for the beer pong tournament October 31st on Halloween. It's going to start at 3 p.m. and go on our website.
I'm going to
buy
get
a ticket.
fucked up.
2-person teams, $50 a person, $100 total for your ticket. We're giving away free merch, free beer, free fun.
Free fun.
Be there.
$1,000 is the winner.
Also, if you sign up 2
Ooh,
other
something
teams,
like that.
you get a free cooler. If you sign up 2 other teams other than your own, you get a free cooler.
Heard that.
Don't fuck this up.
Thanks for listening to On Tap with the Boys. Be sure to follow us on social media and stay updated. Tune in next week for another episode about Tyler's problems.
Bring us up. Hit it, Tucker. Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep that mustache, bitch.